Nerf Gun lovers, this is TT Gaming Pro, and in this video I'll be joined by Ice101. Say hello. What's the matter? Then? The rest of those teethy. Okay. Right, anyways.
No, my cheese.
We'll get better.
I shot a bullet and then it hit my cheek and then it landed on that.
Okay, let's get on with the video, okay? It'll get better. So this is the long shot. And you've got the pullback magazine. And you've got your thing here. You can put one of these on like this. Get it on. I'm not going to waste time. Or you can just go like this. Use this as an assault rifle. This is the longbow. Zombie long crossbow. This is the crossbow. No. You can save the bullets because we're going to do a test firing. So this is not included with it. This is one of my first ever Nerf guns, the barricade. It's running out of batteries, so I might not do the test firing with it. I don't know. Moving on to the pistols. This is not a Nerf gun, but it shoots. Company. It came with one of Ice101's bike, which was really cool and generous. So thank you, the people that gave it is. So it's kind of cool, really cool actually. You pull this thing back and then pull the trigger. Okay. We've got the Star Wars pistol. Our breakfast is ready, so we'll do part 2 of the test firing. This is one of Ice101's zombie pistol. Ice101, do you want to show it? Wait, there you go. Right, hold it like that on the camera. Hold it like that on the camera, in front of the camera, like this. There you go. So that's that.
And you can also
They can't see it. It doesn't matter anyway. We'll do test firing in the second part. Okay, Ice101. Moving on. The strong arm. So this is the end of the video. We'll do a part 2 of. I'll do a test firing. So I'll see you later. Goodbye.